Hello everyone, thank you for joining this video. Today we are going to discuss about a very crucial topic, which is how to enjoy the journey of learning English language, which is how to feel better while learning English language. There are so many people, including me, we learn English language and we learn a lot of things to speak English language, to learn it. So many things, and sometimes it becomes a headache that people are thinking what to learn, what not to learn. There are a lot of vocabulary, sentences, and grammar rules, and speaking, translating. Oh my god, how many things are there to learn, what to do, what not to do. People think a lot, including me. Sometimes what happen, like we feel that our English is not getting better, we are not getting better at English language. And what will be happen after some time, when we will be able to speak English language, when the day will come when we will be able to speak, when we will be celebrating the day when we will be able to speak English language fluently. When the day will come, people think a lot and they just become impatient, and they think that how boring it is. Sometimes translating and this that a lot of things to do to speak English language fluently in our beginning days, when the people are beginner, and they face a lot of problems at those days. So my friend, to enjoy the journey of learning English language, I have one thing I would like to tell you, and I'm sure that some of the people may have done it already. If you have done it already, so still you should listen it carefully, so that it is something like we should do it, and we should enjoy, and we can improve our English language, as well as we can boost our confidence as well. Yes, so listen to me carefully. First of all, if I talk about the people who are beginner, they don't have fluency, they are not able to speak fluently. Okay, so what should they do whenever they feel like today I'm not going to learn English language today, I don't like to learn that thing, I don't like to learn this thing, vocabularies, grammar rules. No, I do not want to learn anything, I just want to speak English language fluently. So my friend, just try to prepare something, sentences, any question, some of the questions and some of the sentences which can help you to speak English language at least for 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute. It is up to you how long you want to speak. Okay, and if you are very low confident person, so try to speak with childrens. Go to the children and just try to ask the questions, try to ask the questions to children, like in which class do you study, what's your father name, what does your father do. If you are enough confident, now you need to speak with people, you need to speak with with someone else, you need to speak with someone else. See my friend, I am just going to tell you actually how you can boost your confidence and how you can speak English language at least for 2-3 minutes. See, if you have phone, just go outside, don't stay at the same place learning and doing the same thing. Just go outside, use your phone. See, for example, someone is coming from somewhere, from another side, and on the same road you are walking, you are just there. Okay, and I will tell you how you are there. See, you are there, and the person is coming in front of you. The person is just coming and you are going there. Okay, so if the person is any girl or a boy, whoever the person is, what you need to do, just use your phone and just try to, you know, put your phone on your ear, put your phone on your ear like this, and try to speak some of the things in English language. Hello, what you are doing? I'm here, you know, what kind of things you are doing? I told you to do that kind of things. What kind of things you are doing? Listen to me carefully. No, 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 no. Yes, 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 yes. Like this, I mean, you should speak in front of the people. Go outside. Don't speak in front of those people who are from your colony or society, or, you know, from your uh, wherever you are living. I mean, they should not be familiar for you, they should be stranger. Just speak in front of the stranger people, okay? It could be a girl, it could be a boy, it could be anyone. Just speak in front of the people, and uh, you know, don't speak like one to one. Just you are going somewhere and someone is coming, try to speak with the help of your phone. Use your phone and try to speak, okay? I mean, in this way you can improve little things. You can check actually where you are, what is your capability, what is your level of English language, and what is your level of confidence, isn't it? We can easily understand what is the actual level of our English language and what is the actual level of our confidence, and in this way you can feel better. When you will speak in front of someone in English language for a little time, then you will be feeling better, then you will be feeling confident, and you can do it, you can do this thing as many times as you want, okay? And you can feel better with the help of this thing. And try to speak you know, with girls as well, like in, not in that way like just you are going and you are speaking one to one. No, just use your phone and try to speak with the help of your phone. Put your phone on your ear and just speak little things. In this way you can improve your English language. Little things, I mean, you can learn actually, and you can improve, you can boost your confidence as well. So in this way, if a person who is learning English language and getting bored while learning English language, and if he is a beginner, so he can use this type of things, this type of method to feel better, okay? And if a person who is you know, able to speak some of the things in English language, so he should speak with people, in front of the people. And in this way, while speaking with only one person, in beginning days we are speaking with someone else. So initially we will be speaking with one person, two person, and after some time, when we will be able to speak, so one by one we will be more capable to speak, you know, with many people, in front of public as well we can speak, isn't it? So it is very beneficial for us, it is the part of our learning. It will be used when you will be able to speak English language. Then you will have to learn it, that how to speak in front of the people, in front of the public. Of course, we all have to learn it, okay? So in this way we should try to speak in front of the people as well. So this is what I wanted to share with you. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching.